Middle, why don't you just meet me in the middle?
Oh,
hey, I'm losing my mind in the middle.
Let's test out LaStallion's music taste.
Let's go.
Do you recognize any of these artists?
Yes, si Z2 and then there's some Canadian guy. Di ko maalala yung name niya eh. Basta I knew him from Pokemon.
Since you know Zed, we're gonna play Guess the Song. Are you ready?
Yeah, sige lang.
Here's the first song. Are you gonna stay?
The night
Alam. Doesn't mean we're bound
for life.
okay.
Why you gonna stay?
Since fan ka ng Zed, he's gonna be back in Manila. And Friends concert this May 13. Here's the poster.
See you there.
Do you recognize any of these artists?
Yes, actually, this guy. I think that's Elenio.
Are you a fan of his music or do you like listen to his music?
I'm familiar with his music.
Guess the song. Before I love you,
Na na na,
I'm gonna leave you.
na na na.
Oh.
By the way, guys, it's Elanyong's first debut here in the Philippines. If you guys want to check him out, see you there too. Okay, do you recognize any artists in this photo?
Oh, this is Zed, diba?
Yeah.
Are you gonna stay?
Okay. I was actually gonna test it, but he already knows. Are you a fan ba or you just listen to his music?
I listen to his music, but I'm not a big fan.
Since alam mo naman yung Are You Gonna Stay Tonight, alright, let's test you again.
Kakanta siya? Ayos yun.
Middle, why don't you just meet me in the middle? I'm losing my mind.
Just a little.
You wanna check Zed's return, you know, Kira and Friends, guys.
See you
Check them
there.
out. Do you recognize all artists in this photo?
Yeah, I recognize one. This looks exactly like someone eh. But this is Baby No Money. And this guy, no.
He's a...
Kamukha ko nga eh.
Comment down below kung kamukha siya.
Actually, oo nga, no, medyo.
Do you just know him or are you an actual fan? Baby No Money.
Know him lang.
I'm about to test you out. I'm gonna finish what I'm gonna start, okay? La.
When about
Do you recognize any artist in this photo?
Zed.
Zed also like Baby No Money, right?
Since you're a fan, you know, let's test them out.
Middle,
why don't you just meet me in the middle? Hey, I'm losing my mind in the middle. For this guy, Baby No Money. Na. Alright, that's it lang naman, guys. Thank you so much. Actually, if you guys want to check him out, he's gonna be at End Friends this May 30, and yeah. Recognize any artist in this photo?
He was Zed.
Zed, okay.
Yeah.
Are you an actual fan or do you just listen to his music?
I just listened to some of his music, and pretty sure he has a Valorant collab or something. Right? Zed.
the Zed skins.
Yeah.
Middle, why don't you just meet me in the
Middle.
I'm losing my mind.
Just a little.
Okay, he knows. Right? My man is an actual fan.
Do you recognize anyone?
One was familiar. Yeah. The rest I'm not pretty sure. Yeah. That's Emil Sol.
Yeah, yung recent viral song niya. It's about Sandali. Are you a fan or?
No, I just heard it a few days ago with my friends, and then I was asking about it. My friends
Actually,
are fans.
nag-viral talaga. Pero tatest kita.
I will try.
Right. Pag magulo na ang mundo.
Ikaw ang mayabang hanap ko. Something like that. Sorry.
Ooh, he knows.
Actually, since you listen to him, he's gonna be at Okada and Friends Festival this May.
See you there.
Are you familiar with any artist in this photo?
Baby No Money.
Baby No Money. Oh, okay. Actual.
La.
Hey, let's go!
Okay, guys, that's it.
LaStallion's do have taste for music.
And if you're planning to go to the music festival with you and your friends, you can check out the affiliate code in the description below for 20% off. Para makita kayo dito.
If you guys want to check them out, End Friends, May 30 to 31.
See you guys there.
Bye-bye.